guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Vishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising Gemini. This reading is about karma of your ex for hurting you, who is not in contact with you now. Let's take a deeper look at their current feelings about you and their karma. So, it's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. Do like, share and subscribe. So, let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. So, let's see Gemini. How did they play you? Five of Wands, Princess of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. So, this person constantly took fights with you and put you in competition with other people. And they also gossiped about you behind your back. That is what I can see. They ganged up and they kept on gossiping about you. They never offered you this Ace of Pentacles, that is commitment. They never offered you any commitment, but they kept you waiting. They kept on made you think that they are going to offer you, but they always did very rude behavior with you. It's like they wanted this show off thing in front of everyone. See, can you see these people? These people were constantly talking about you, and because this gossip was there, you knew something was wrong behind your back, but you were never able to put that finger on that point. So here, they never offered you this pentacle, which was supposed to come. So Gemini, let's see how they feel about you, about playing with you now. So already they have played very badly with you by gossiping and putting you in competition with other people or constantly traumatizing you. I can feel that energy here. Okay, so how they feel about it now? Two of Cups, Seven of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. They feel that can you see, this is on the only card where you can see all this dark color is there. So they feel that the love what you offered, they had better options besides you. That is what they thought, and they were waiting for that love to come here, like love to come towards them. Or you can take it like this: they feel that your love was supposed to come back because they were superior than you. And they were waiting for this offer to come from you. They think that you should think highly of them because they are not on your level. Yeah, that is what I wanted to say. Still they feel that way. This is a narcissistic person. Yeah, because see, they are showing you off that they have options. Like they are still exploring their options, I guess. And they think that you are waiting for them and they are waiting that you should come back. See, this person is facing forward. This girl is grabbing him from behind. So he is waiting for you to come back and hold him and ask him, please don't go, or you should beg in the front of them like a narcissistic person wants. That is what I can see here. Okay. So what's going on in their life now? How many Two of Cups are going to come? Two of Cups, Nine of Pentacles and Devil. Okay, this person is into some addiction now. They are single and as I told you, they are exploring their options. They are offering their cup to everyone they meet. They are into devil energy. They present, see, can you see this thing? They might be a girl or a guy, but they look they are good looking person. So what they do is they use passion and their looks to grab attention. Right now that is all going on. They are acting as if they are single, but they are offering their passion and love to multiple people. He's a sick person, I guess. Yeah, that is what I can see. What is truth about third party? I think there are multiple third party. If there was someone for whom, specific someone whom they left you for, if that is the third party, if there was no third party, as you know, then just leave this section. But here what I am going to see is what is the truth about third party. And this third party can be your family, friends, your career, or anything. So take what resonates with you. Okay, so here I have Star, Chariot, and Ten of Swords. I think this person has stabbed that third party also very brutally. This person is with no one here. This person might be a Cancer. Chariot is here, Devil. Yeah, I can feel this. Yeah, Cancer is coming prominent here. Okay. Okay, this third party is healing from this pain and they have moved forward. So he's not with anyone, as I can see, as we have seen already, that they are single. They are not with one person. They are offering and they are exploring right now and sleeping with multiple people. That is what I can see. This third party is already backstabbed and this relationship with them was ended, and this person is healing and they have moved forward. If there was one specific person whom you know that they were with, that is what is happening with this third party now. How they feel about you now? Okay, High Priestess, Death, Eight of Wands. So they feel that you are very wise. You quickly took a decision. You moved away emotionally, mentally, physically from them. And High Priestess, they think that you are very very wise person. You quickly moved out of this relation. You just ended this cycle with them, and you just move forward with your life. That is what they think about you now. That is what they feel about you right now. And how you feel about them now? You feel strength. It took a lot of strength to move away from this person. Knight of Swords and Two of Pentacles. So basically what you think about them, that they are a player who is never going to give you any commitment. They are player, and they had always juggling you. They were always juggling you. So you are just holding back, staying strong in your power. See, and I can see, I can feel this yellow everywhere. So this is like you are awake. This girl's back of her head, there is bright light, like you are awake what they did to you. So now you are holding back from them. How you feel about them is you are just holding back from a player because they were juggling you basically. So what's going on with them right now? Oh my god, two devils have come. I didn't see that. See? Yeah. What's going on with them? This is a devil card again. This is a devil card. Oh my god, this person is very dangerous, I can feel. See, devil card in this deck. They show that they are a star, but inside they are a devil. They are a show-off person. Three of Pentacles and Six of Wands. Definitely, Six of Wands for me is a people pleaser who just wants to maintain an image in front of other people. He is not bothered whom he is hurting or what is going on. So this person is exploring their third party. This is Three of Pentacles, can be a third party. They are exploring their options. They are trying to work out with their money also, and they are just showing off everyone that they are cool. That is basically. Thank God you moved away from them. They are no good for you, dear. Anyway, so what is their karma? The karma for them is Two of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Five of Swords. So they will keep exploring their options and they will every time be disappointed because they will never find true love. They will block. They What they are doing is they are blocking. People will block them from whatever they show off was there. When people will come to know, they will turn their back and they will block them. And because of that, this person will be nine of swords. Like they will be up at night and thinking about what I have done, why these things are happening to me, why I'm always unlucky in love. That is their karma. They will keep thinking, they will never get out of this thing. Yeah, this mental trauma will block them from anything to move forward. They will be in their emotions also, because I can see water here, and they will just be stuck up in this cycle only. They will never be able to come out of it. They will just see you from far. I can see this castle. You will be somewhere out, as I told you that you have moved forward or you are away from them. They will keep checking on you, that how fruitful you are, how abundant you are, and they will be very sad. And they are sad because you are abundant. That is their karma. That is what I'm picking up on. Okay, so what are the messages they want to tell you? What are so messages from your person to you, as you are not talking to them? What are the message they want to convey to you? This person is a narcissist for sure, because this person constantly thinks about other people. And 2 times devil means they are like sleeping with everyone, I can tell you that. I'm still confused what decision to make. I want to know everything about you, but I don't want anything to do with you. This is a narcissist person. These messages explain about them. They just want you to stuck up with them. Oh God, that is what I'm getting. I have other responsibilities. I wish you could have understood. What other responsibilities they had? If they had their family. Okay, see. I think they admit that they are going through some mental illness. I don't know how to deal with that. They know that whatever they do with other people is wrong, or whatever they did with you is wrong. But still they do it because it gives them some pleasure, some kind of pleasure. I don't know what to say, and I don't know how to fix it. So they are not bothered also whatever they have done with you. Okay, I had all 5 cards, I guess. Yeah. So if they want to come back, it will be just for, see, yes, I am in and out of your life because I know it's easy to manipulate your vulnerability. I'm afraid of rejection. My ego would get hurt. So obviously this person is a narcissist, and you have done a very good job by staying away from them, or if you have ended this relationship with them. Let's see what is advice from universe to you. Give me 3 cards. What are advice from universe to my viewer? Give me advice for my viewer. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel. Woman holding a heart and journey. Okay, see, you got victory. So the guides are telling you to work on your second chakra. You are a very beautiful woman, or if you are a man, you are a very beautiful, you are a handsome man. You are a kind person. That is what I can see. So angels are telling you, see, 44 is an angel number. So all your angels are surrounding you already. So go for this beautiful journey. Your spirits and guides are just guiding you. Just don't think about this person anyway. And back of this is victory. Can you see this 28? 8 plus 2 is 10. So this cycle with this person is completed successfully, and you can take your heart and you can go for a new journey. That is what spirits are telling me. Your second chakra needs some balancing, so work on it. So I hope you got some good messages over here, Gemini. So do comment on video if you like this kind of reading. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.